What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add follow button to your Facebook page. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys a few methods that you can do to add the follow button to your Facebook page. Now the first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on your profile in the top right, and then you want to click on see all profiles, and then you want to find the page that you want to add the follow button to. So I would like to add the follow button to this page. As you can see, now this is the page that I want to add the follow button to, as you can see. Now what you need to do guys, you want to click on these three little dots as you can see here guys, and then you want to click on edit action button and click on try it, and you want to find here the follow button. Now if you are not able to find it, don't worry, I'm gonna be showing you like I said a few methods that you can do to add the follow button. Now if you can't find here a follow button, don't worry, if you can find it here, then that's good. Now as you can see, it seems like I can't find it here. So if you can, then what you need to do guys, you want to click on your profile again, click on see all profiles, and you want to switch to your own Facebook account. Now a lot of people don't know that you can convert your own Facebook profile into a page, and that way you can easily add the follow button just like me. As you can see, let me show you. I have a follow button. As you can see, people will be able to follow me, and I also you can make money from the videos that you post. And how beauty is this, like you can turn your own Facebook profile into a page, and you can still talk to your friends on Facebook. You can still do a lot of things. Now to do that, let me show you guys how this whole thing works. Now first, after I show you guys how you can convert it, what you need to do guys next is you want to search on YouTube about how you can make money on Facebook professional mode. That's the feature, that's a new feature Facebook has introduced to its users. So I'm going to turn off professional mode, and I'm going to show you guys how you can, if you turn it off, you will not receive payments from Facebook anymore, as you can see. Now this is how it's going to look for you. Now you want to click on these three little dots, and then you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to scroll down and click on let me just reload the page. Like I said, click on these three little dots, and then click on turn on professional mode. And here it says here you can get paid for your content, so your friends will not be able to see the videos you are posting. Okay, it's like you have a page. If you want, your friends will not be able to see that. If you don't want, then your friends, you can give them the permission to see all the content that you post on your Facebook professional, like on your Facebook profile, which is the professional mode. Now as you can see, you can grow your audience, people will be able to follow you. As you can see, your followers, your profile's follower setting will be set to public, so anyone can see your public content in their feeds. You can still share it privately to friends. Click on turn on, and that's it. Click on done. You have successfully turned professional mode. Now if you want to see the follow button, you just want to click on these three little dots, click on view as, and this is how it's going to look for users that are new to your page. They will see the follow button, they will see the message button, the search button if you want to search for a video, and still you can make money. It's beautiful. Like this feature is really useful. Now the third way guys to add a profile, like to add a follow button to your Facebook page, is to contact Facebook directly. Now you want to open the page that you want to add the follow button to. You want to click on these three little dots. You want to click on the profile picture in the top right, and then you want to click on help and support. After you open the page, as you can see, after you open the page that you want to add the follow button, click on help and support, and then click on report a problem, click on help us improve Facebook, click on include in report, and where it says choose an area, you want to choose pages. Now but the problem with this is you want to wait a few hours, like for example most of the time it will take 24 hours before Facebook gets back to you. So you just want to type here, hi Facebook, I would like a follow button on my Facebook page, please help. So that's it. You want to click then submit, and you want to wait 24 hours, and that's it. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.